Hello, welcome back. How are you? That's great. So, now that you have your book open, yes, we're going to read about Janice. Yes? Look at this picture. Okay, that's Janice. Yes? And she's a pilot. Yes? She flies planes. All right? We're going to read, yes, about her. Okay? Janice is a pilot. She flies from Heathrow Airport in London to all over Europe. You know, Heathrow Airport es el aeropuerto más importante de Londres, okay? Es enorme, muy lindo. And she flies from that airport to Europe, yes? Ella visita toda Europa. Vamos a ver cómo es el día de ella, okay? At 11 o'clock in the morning, she leaves her house. She leaves her house. Ella se va de su casa at that time. Yes, at 11 o'clock. She arrives at the airport at 12 o'clock. Okay? So, she leaves her house, se va de la casa y llega al aeropuerto a las 12, at 12 o'clock. Today, her flight is to Rome. Yes? She goes to Italy. It leaves London at 3 o'clock and it arrives in Italy at 5 o'clock. Okay? So, ella se va de Londres at 3 o'clock y llega a Italia at 5 o'clock. At 7 o'clock, the plane leaves Rome and it arrives in London at 10 o'clock. Okay? So, una vez que ya está allá, descansa un ratito, ¿sí? And at 7 o'clock, tiene que volver. Yes? So, the plane leaves Rome, se va de Roma y llega a Londres, yes? At 10 o'clock. Yes? Hace Londres-Roma, Roma-Londres, tiene que volver, of course. Okay, and Janice gets home, then she goes home at 11 o'clock at night. It's a really long day for Janice, right? She really she has a really long day and she gets really tired sometimes. Now we're going to do the activity together, okay? So, number one, we have to choose the correct clock. Janice leaves her house. What time does Janice leave her house? At 11 o'clock or at 7 o'clock? Okay, very good. At 11 o'clock, she leaves her house. You can circle, yes, with letters if you want. Number two, Janice arrives at the airport. She arrives at the airport at 1 o'clock or at 12 o'clock. Very good. At 12 o'clock, yes, we can underline 11 o'clock, she leaves her house. At 12 o'clock, she arrives at the airport. Number three, her plane leaves London. We have 6 o'clock and 3 o'clock. Let's check on the text. Her flight is to Rome. It leaves London at 3 o'clock. Good, this one. Very good. Her plane arrives home. Yes, Rome. Okay, it arrives in Italy at what time? 5 o'clock. Okay, which is the clock that says 5 o'clock? This one or this one? Okay, very good. This is the one. Perfect. Number 5. Her plane leaves Rome. Ahora va a dar la vuelta, va a volver para London, para England. So, at 7 o'clock, the plane leaves Rome. 7 o'clock. ¿Cuál es 7 o'clock? This one or this one? Very good. This one. And finally, what time does Janice get home? Janice gets home at 11 o'clock. Very good. So which is the clock? Very good. 11 o'clock. Very well done. Now we're going to choose the day of the week, okay? Could be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, any day you want, and write about you, okay? And you can draw a picture and the clock, okay? Let's do it together. Okay, open your notebook, yes, and copy the date. Good. Today is the 4th of May. Empezamos un nuevo mes. Here we have it. And how's the weather today? Okay, yes. It's sunny and cloudy. We can say sunny and cloudy today. Yes. Very good. Okay. And what day is today? Monday. Very, very good. Yes. Did I have space in between? Okay. Oh, well, no problem. You got it. You got it perfect. We can. There you go. I corrected it. Now, the title. Yes. Okay, will be my day. Okay, you're going to choose one day and write it. Yes. For example, I'm going to choose, Sundays. I love Sundays. On Sundays, I get up. Un ejemplo, at 10 o'clock. Okay? That's an example. So you can draw, right? You can draw the clock. Yes, I know. No es muy fácil dibujar acá. I know. You can draw your clock. Yes. I would just draw this moment like this if I can. Oh, that's really difficult. Oh my God. Oh, laugh. Okay, so that will be an arrow. Yes, I know. And this one, an arrow. Okay, it's 10 o'clock. Okay, so on Sundays I get up at 10 o'clock, and obviously I'm not going to draw it, but you can draw yourselves getting up or not. Yes, pueden elegir otra de las acciones que aprendimos, pero solamente un día. ¿Ok? Espero ver qué tan lindo dibujaron. Alright? Goodbye.